Is your Ford Explorer's key fob not working? A dead battery is the most common culprit, and thankfully, it's an easy fix. This video covers the rounded key fob found on 2011 to 2015 Ford Explorers. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool and a new CR2032 battery. First, locate the seam on the bottom of the fob where the key blade is. Gently insert your tool and pry the two halves apart. Be careful not to force it. Once open, remove the old CR2032 battery, noting which side is up. Insert the new battery the same way and snap the fob back together. That's it. Most of the time, this simple battery replacement will solve your problem. If the battery replacement doesn't immediately work, don't panic. First, double-check that the battery is correctly installed with the positive side up. Also, inspect the battery contacts inside the fob for any corrosion. If you see any corrosion, gently clean them with an alcohol swab. If it still doesn't work, you might need to resync the fob with your vehicle. Insert your key into the ignition, turn it to the on position without starting the engine. Press the lock button on the fob 3 times in quick succession, then turn the ignition off. This often resets the signal. If problems persist after the remote fix, it may indicate more complex issues that a mechanic may need to address.